FLIPKART presents Rapid Mixer Grinder with 4 jars. It has smart architecture that provides durability and stability. The 750-watt powerful motor allows you to grind and blend tough food ingredients. The motor is enabled with auto cutoff function against overload. This feature ensures long life of the motor. It has sturdy handles for better grip. Ergonomically designed, polycarbonate transparent juicer jar is unbreakable. Pusher and fine mesh are available for filtration and helps you to segregate seeds and dry pulp for fine juice extraction. It comes with 3 stainless steel jars that are equipped with fixed razor-sharp blades for different grinding applications. The user-friendly 3-speed level setting allows you to choose different speed levels depending upon the application need. The anti-slip pads help in keeping the appliance in place by preventing it from moving or sliding while in use. Visit the product detail page to know more about warranty, installation, scheduled delivery, and EMI options.